I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive.
Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my short hair. Again, you guys are going to get a little short hairstyle in the video, so embrace yourself.
I can't believe I believed.
First, I like to go in with my hair gel, apply a generous amount to my hair, massage it thoroughly. Next, I'm going with my foam wrap, also apply a generous amount, massage it in, allow it marinate, and then I start to comb my hair all backwards.
Your schemes are smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when lose, when win. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.
The next thing I do is spread my hair in directions I want to create my waves, also creating a pattern. So you could do this any way you like. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine, so go ahead, do you babes.
Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when
Then I proceed to apply more foam wrap, and then I start to create my waves exactly how I love it, and also for the look that I'm going for. So you can just watch on and grab a thing or two. Yes babes.
took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
Next up, I go ahead and then I tie my hair down with a do-rag or a scarf. If you don't have a do-rag, you can use a scarf, but I'm using a do-rag today. And then I let it sit for 5 minutes. However, if I'm doing my makeup and I have somewhere to go, I just leave it on until I'm done with my makeup and I'm done with my outfits, and then I review the hair. This is what our hair looks like. I am so excited for this look. Let me know if you guys are gonna be trying it out. Don't forget to tag me in your videos. Bye my loves.
Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a smile? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah.